Good morning. There we go. We're in focus. So this is a wonderful Saturday morning, about midday. There's all the clothes that we brought inside from the clothes racks. We got the flags up. Lots of lightning. So this is the tropical rain. Your bike's been covered. It's been raining on and off for most of the morning, but now it's just starting to get a bit serious. What I have noticed is it doesn't usually, we always get some wind, but it doesn't usually get stormy like it does in Gladstone or in eastern Queensland. You get a lot of rain, but it doesn't seem to get very much windy or stormy like. Plenty of lightning and thunder, daytime or nighttime, but no real serious wind. So I was always concerned with what the wind would do with this overhead car. I'm being attacked from behind right now. What are you doing? So yeah, and it just rain, virtually straight rain. Yeah. I just rest the phone on your head. There we go. Wonderful rain. We don't get enough of this in this day.
He said he wants to drink the rain.
Drink the rain. And also, you don't usually really see many people out, even with umbrellas, because if you get wet from the rain, you get sick. It's very much ingrained in Big Deal. And I say to her, I said, oh, go out and get this or get that. She goes, no, don't. You'll get sick from the rain. Even though the rain is actually not cold, it's certainly not hot. Sometimes we get that hot rain that we do in Australia there too, but not often. But not cold, not the ice cold. You don't get hail or anything like that here either. The mountains are just not high enough, or the wind is not the right sort to get a hail. So I've never heard of any hail here. So the rainwater is cool. So it's not cold. It's nice. There we go. That's what's happening on a Saturday morning. Selling is doing good. There's all the bags with clothes in it. There's actually some in the seat of the bike that we put in before to do delivery. They'll still be dry. We got bags of clothes there and some there. And the total approximately for 3 days worth of internet selling and walk-in. We got a couple of signs made up. They were laminated, but they didn't laminate them properly. They cut too close to the edge and lets the water through into the paper. We'll get another one of those done made up. And so 3 days of selling is done, probably about 4,000 or 5,000 pesos worth.
You borrowed 1,000.
I borrowed 1,000. No. Borrowed
The
1,000.
interest is 20%.
Oh, interest. So it's all good. We're doing the thing. See, here's a little book. The book with all the. So this here is, all the sales. And a tick of when they collect and pay, or we drop off and pay. And at the back of the book is all the startup expenses, things that have been paid back so far, and that sort of thing. So we're doing it with the paperwork So we got a clear understanding of whether it's all the success or whether our estimations have been correct. So this is the remainder. This is still all the American bundle. The Korean bundle is still there. So I haven't opened that. We won't open that until we come back from Thailand. So
Be,
rain is backing off now.
ano sa imo? Dako man.
So we do
Ha?
photos in front of the mirror and load them up on Facebook. Do Facebook Live, which hasn't been real successful because the internet has problems with video calls. On saying that, internet access for doing stock market is quite good. No problems with that whatsoever. So it's fast enough to keep the data upload consistent for when we do stock market trading. And even Era's been in there on the practice account starting off, and it's been been pretty good. Mine hasn't been doing too well for the last 2 to 3 weeks. There was a little bit of a crash in the market. We've just got to wait for that to bounce back and then we come back into it. There we go. Saturday morning.